Hey guys, Aaron here for the Love of Tech, and I'm bringing you another headphone video again. Today, I have the Quiet Comfort 35 II noise cancellation. So I guess this is the second round that Bose has made these headphones. What drew me to them was the superior sound quality, the noise cancellation, and I know it sounds silly and it's like a built-in gimmick, but it has the Google Assistant built into it, or Siri, whichever works best for you. I'm always on the quest for better headphones. I'm always trying to up my headphone game. I went down the path of Beats by Dre, fell into that rabbit hole, disappointed several times, and not in the sound quality, but in the build quality of the actual headphones. Bose is a leader within the headphone industry, within the whole sound and entertainment industry. When you hear Bose, you think high end, you think high quality. But are they worth the money? That's the question. Just based on picking them up and holding them, I'm gonna tell you, right? They feel heavy. The spring here, the little spring action here, it feels good. Like it's made well, but it's not aggressively strong to where it's going to hurt my head. The Sennheisers I had, it felt aggressively strong on my head. I felt like they were clamping my ears, and I was only able to use them on one plane ride. So I put them away and said, I gotta return these. My head's just too big. So I was okay with that. And my quest for top tier quality headphones continues, which led me here today. Bose has their own little app, as you can see here. I'm gonna go ahead and get all this stuff set up here. Hopefully it came with a little bit of juice and we're able to dive right in. So let's go ahead and just look at the box again, because the instructions were on the inside of the box. So a quick start guide right when you open up the box. Boom, that's how you set it up. I like that. Big thumbs up, Bose. They didn't give me a whole bunch of extra stuff that I'm just gonna throw away and never look at again. So we push over the button right there. Boom. Button. All right, it says it's ready and it's pairing. They came right up. It's like, hey, Aaron, you have an option. So you just, you drag down to activate it, and then it's like, bloop, 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 bloop. Here you go. I wanted to show you the finished setting up of it. So you name it, you try it on, it tells you about the extra features. But up here, my Google Assistant wants me to set this up. And this I've never done before, but it looks like this is made to work with my assistant. Have your assistant read your notifications to you. Okay, so I can actually pick what notifications I want read to me. This is pretty cool. This is new. This is not something we see every day. So we're gonna go ahead and flip on a little bit of music, hear what it sounds like. And I'm gonna tell you, I'm not seeing a clear-cut definitive right or left on these, which kind of makes me feel good, because it's like, hey, you wear these however they fit best on your head. All right, let's hit this and see what it sounds like. That felt enjoyable. It literally felt like music to my ears. Yeah, music to my ears. It felt really good. It sounded phenomenal. Let's try to activate the Google Assistant. Oh, so I hit the button. It's telling me I don't have notifications. Do not disturb is turned on. Let me push and hold it and see what happens. Turn on music. It's playing music. Turn the studio lights to green. It worked! I hit a button I tell it to do something in the assistant and it turned my lights to green. It's probably safe to assume it's gonna do all the other cool things that my Google Assistant does. Big giant thumbs up, Bose. You did a good job. I am loving the build quality of this. There is no clear-cut right or left on these, and I know I keep going back to it, but it's different. It's unique. Oh, so the right and left is on the inside. That makes me feel better because I didn't like not having a right and left. I felt like I was being left to make a decision for myself. And you know we're so programmed to letting brands make our decisions for us. Anyways, I haven't had a chance to give these a proper review as this is just kind of a first reaction unboxing type of video. I'm extremely eager to put these into action, to actually use them. My sole reason for buying them is to use them to do my live streaming. I am always on the mission for new, better, upgraded headphones that don't cost $500, $600 because the real good ones are so expensive. It's out of your price range. It's out of my price range. These are like maxing out my price range when it comes to headphones. I can't remember exactly how much they were, but I'll look it up and I will put the price right here. Cha-ching! I think that's about it. We're gonna dig into these a little bit more and get a little bit more of a review, but I want to see, is there a giant difference between the quality of these and my Sonys? That is my big concern. When you spend extra money, are you getting extra quality? That's what I want to find out. Thanks for coming and checking out the channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel as of yet, please go ahead and do so right now. Ding! And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell. Ding! So that way you actually get notified of when my videos come out. Right now we're doing a giveaway and we're giving away a whole bunch of cool things. I know we're giving away a OnePlus 6, we're giving away some AKG headphones, some D-brand skins, probably maybe an Apple Watch. And if we're able to hit 7,500 subscribers from now until October, when I actually hold the giveaway, I will throw in one of the new iPhones in the giveaway as well, which is pretty awesome. All you have to do is take this video, share it on social media, take a screenshot of it, and then send me an email that you shared it on social media to aron@4theloveoftech.com. You can send multiple screenshots. That will get you extra entries into the giveaway. Now, the main way you can enter into the giveaway is go ahead into the comment section below, type out Roman numerals 83,002 dash, and leave me a comment and tell me, do you think these are worth the money in your experience? Is Bose worth the high-end money that it commands? Or are they just overpriced junk? Or if you have no experience with this, tell me what your favorite set of over-the-ear noise cancellation headphones are. For the love of tech, go in your drawers, go in your closet, go under your parents' bed, pull out those old electronics, dust them off, shine them up, give them to someone, put a smile on someone's face, and for the love of tech, namaste.